The CT6001S was designed to test a decay of incandescent lamps of the gas plasma decay. Type of a system consists of three major components. The major component of it is the CT6001S controller, high voltage RF generator, adjustable from the front for the best matching of the energy going into the lamp. CT6002 light meter. This is a special meter with a spectrum that covers only the color of a typical gas plasma. Cables that are necessary for connection of this system. It's a AC line cord, operation switch, bringing information that lamp is ready for the test. It's being plugged here into that position. High voltage generator control. This is the controller side and this is the generator side. We're plugging in. Remote control in on the back of the high voltage generator. This is a circular military type of a switch. Requires several push in and then tied with a screw. Lamp reject cable. This is a 3-pin, a special audio cable with a protection against any accidental removal. And this is a simple cable that offers a contact from the electronic switch inside of this controller in the case we have a bad lamp and needs to be rejected. User solenoid switch that will be activated and will push out the lamp to the appropriate container. So this is just simple electronic contacts here. Serial communication RS-232 cable that connects this port with any computer that has loaded graphic user interface for CTLab operation. Switch on this controller, activate the application, and the graphic user interface is ready. The next major component, that is our generator, requires first of all the AC power that needs to be delivered here. There's a connection of the grounding wire, should be connected to the terminal on the back. This is American standard 1/4 by 20. The other end should be connected to the grounding frame of a lamp conveyor on the production floor. And the most important is connection of a high voltage cable. This generator is capable of producing up to 15,000 volts peak at the operating frequency. It must be located in such a way that is not touching any metals, is not being attached with a tie wrap to any metal chassis, any frame of the conveyor. It must be placed on the isolation blocks like Teflon or ceramic. We're making connections here. In our case, it is to the base of a Edison base of a lamp. Light meter must be perfectly centered with a bulb in its filament, so the light measurement will be the most effective. The last component is a connection of a light meter to the controller. This is a high voltage connection, DC high voltage for the lab light meter, and this is the returning signal from photomultiplier that is telling us about the intensity of a light in a bulb.